Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Firestick without remote or Wi-Fi. Let's go. Open phone settings. Find hotspot settings. If you know the SSID and password of your home wireless, make a hotspot on your phone with those values. Plug in the FireTV stick and it should connect upon startup, allowing you to use the FireTV app. Open FireTV app, choose your FireTV. After that, you will be able to control the TV using your phone. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.